Now new at 4 o'clock. In the last 45 minutes, a bipartisan group of senators proposed a new deal on health care to restore subsidies for low-income earners. And President Donald Trump said he supports it. Channel 2's Richard Elliott is live in Forsyth County for us. And Richard, some Georgia lawmakers condemned the president's recent move to eliminate those subsidies.
That is because they say as many as 300,000 Georgians may be impacted by a loss of federal subsidies. If those are cut, the lawmakers say they not only worry about health care for those people, they also worry that those people could become a burden on our existing health care system.
We're in a very dire situation right now with health care.
State Rep William Bodie joined other members of Georgia's Legislative Black Caucus in condemning President Trump's decision to cut off federal subsidies to ACA or Obamacare recipients. Those subsidies help those recipients pay certain medical costs.
That means that over 309,000 Georgians who receive the federal subsidies may no longer have access to health care because they cannot afford to pay the full market exchange insurance premiums.
The Trump administration made the decision to end the subsidies last week, saying it believed those subsidies were unconstitutional. That's something that State Senator Michael Williams agrees with. He's also running for governor and says opening health care to the free market will drive down prices.
I think all of Americans' health care is in jeopardy right now with Obamacare. And the defunding of Obamacare, I think, is a great legislative act that President Trump has done.
But the chair of the Legislative Black Caucus disagrees and worries that if tens of thousands of Georgians now can't afford health care, they'll wait until their health needs are dire and will wind up in an emergency room rather than a primary physician.
If this should go through, Georgia's families, low-income, working-class families, will lose access to something that's very important and vital.
Now, Senator Williams, who said he's running for governor, he also said something today that many are perceiving as very controversial. In the wake of the Las Vegas shootings, he says he is coming out in support of bump stocks. At 6, we'll let you know how he's going one step further in that support. We are live in Forsyth County. Richard Elliott, Channel 2 Action News.